First of all, we have to create a development environment to build the website. So we can use web hosting platform like InfinityFree.net to host website for free and continue the work. So if you have your own server, you can use the server, or you can use this InfinityFree.net website to build the website. If you use free web hosting platforms to host your website, you will only get limited resources. So this type of free web hosting platforms can use to do the development and easily share the website URL with your clients. But free web hosting platforms will not suitable for commercial websites. So only use this type of websites for development purposes. So let's start. First of all, I will go to infinity.net and click on this sign up now button. And in here I will add the email address, password and confirm the password. Then check this I am not robot button. Okay, now I click on create new account button. I got an error because I forget to check this term and condition tick box. So let's try to do it again. Enter the password and confirm the password, then tick this and click on I am not a robot checkbox and click on create new account. And now I will get a verification email. So now I will click on this verify email address button, and now I create the InfinityFree.net account. So now I can create a website account. So in this InfinityFree website I can host 3 websites. So let's click on this create account button, and in here I will select subdomain and let's enter a name to our website. I just add the subdomain, and in here we can select the extension. So I will select this .rf.gd extension and click on select domain. Now in the step 2 I have to set the username and password, but this system will automatically generate a username and password for this InfinityFree account. So I can leave those text box as empty. And now I click on I am not a robot and click on create account button. Now I click on view in client area, and we successfully create the free hosting account. So let's click on control panel button, and in here we have to click on I approve button and give them permission to send emails to our email box. So if you click on I disapprove button, you will lose this account. So I have to click on I approve button, and here is the InfinityFree control panel or C panel. So in this C panel we can do all tasks that we can do with the normal cPanel. So we can check the database and create FTP accounts, edit the files and do all of those stuff. Also in this static disk section we will see the information about this server. So now let's try to install the WordPress. To do that I scroll down to this software section and click this link. Then in here we can install the WordPress. So I hover over here and click on install button, and you can select the version of the WordPress. So I will select the latest version, and if I scroll down I can add the website name and description. For now I will leave those as empty, and in here I have to add the username and password to log into the WordPress admin dashboard. So I will enter a username and password. Okay, and in here you can select the language. By default it's English. So let's click on install button, and it will start to install WordPress. It's successfully installed, and I click on this website URL and this admin URL and log into the website. So if you see something like this, you have to wait until DNS configuration. Currently this website is not available, and it will take few minutes or few hours to propagate the DNS. So if I go to the client section, I will see this type of notice It say it takes 72 hours to propagate the DNS. So I will be back when the website is online.